What's up guys, and welcome to another video. And today we have a very good topic at hand. We're going to be talking about the 3 signs you need to be looking out for hair loss and what you can do to stop it in its tracks. So let's not waste any more time and let's get into the video. Let's get it, guys. So to begin, I want to talk about what causes hair loss. So as men, we produce a lot of testosterone, and the byproduct of testosterone is called dihydrotestosterone, or the bane of our existence. Why, God, why? So what dihydrotestosterone does is it actually binds to the hair follicles in your hair, makes them smaller, and then your hair falls out. And then that's when you start noticing baldness. Now the thing about baldness is you won't notice that you're going bald until you've lost about 50% of your hair, which is a crazy amount. But I'm going to talk about what you can do to recover it. So let's not waste any more time. So the first sign for hair loss is the shower. Now when you take a shower, if you notice a lot of hair on the floor, more than usual, that means your hair is probably starting to fall out. Now for me, I started noticing that back in November. Now I was giving myself a lot of excuses as to why that was, because I was growing my hair out, man, I want to say from February until November, actually until December of that year, which was last year. And I was just giving myself a lot of excuses. I was like, okay, so it's just my hair just falling out because the ends are breaking apart, and that's why I'm seeing all this hair in the bathtub floor. But I was just in denial. Sign number 2 would be when you pick your hair out, comb your hair, brush your hair, you notice a lot of hair falling out. Now I have my little friend here, the pick. Now when I would pick my hair out, just simply like this, right? I would see so much hair right here at the bottom of the pick, and I could literally go like this and have a handful of hair. And again, I was just giving myself the same excuse. I've been growing my hair out, I have some ends just falling apart, it's a lot of hair. But now since I got onto my treatment, I can pick my hair out, do whatever I want with my hair. And as you guys can see, you probably can't even see a single strand over there, not even a single strand. So that's a big improvement. That's something you really have to look out for. So for sign number 3 is having hair all over the place, such as your bed or on the floor. For me, it was mainly the floor, and I'll show you guys right now. Let's go. Now, as you guys can see, this is just the hallway, but in this area right here, I would see so much hair, and I would have to sweep the floor every week. And when I first moved into here, that was not a thing I was doing. And ever since I started treatment, as you guys can see, there's really not much hair there. It's not something that I've had to do regularly, but of course, still gotta make sure my Those are the 3 signs you have to be looking out for. So let's do a quick overview. We have hair in the shower, hair in the pick falling out, combing, whatever, and you have hair all over the place. For me, mainly on the floor. Now, what can you do to stop it in its tracks? You have to be proactive, just like with anything in life. You always have to be proactive. So that's what I started doing, because I noticed my hair loss in November, and by January, I was already on full-blown treatment. So I started using Finasteride and Minoxidil, and I had a plan for the way I wanted to use it as well. So the plan was to actually use Finasteride to keep the hair that I had on my hair, and to use the Minoxidil to regrow the hair that I lost in the corners of my hair. And then so that's exactly what I did. I used the Minoxidil for about 5 months on the corners of my hair. That's just all where I would just place it, just rub it in. I'd also use Jamaican black castor oil. I would also derma roll, use peppermint essential oil. All those things help in growing hair. So I did that for about 4 or 5 months, and the hair came back, and I stopped using all those things. Now I'm just using Finasteride, and I'm still, my hair is growing just like, honestly, you can't even notice the hair loss. It's like it never happened in the first place, and it's fantastic. So I think that's something you guys can actually do yourself. Look into it. Just be proactive. Don't wait too long. Don't wait until you've lost a significant amount of hair, because it's a lot easier to keep what you have than try to regain what you lost. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Take care of yourself, and peace, guys.